Let's try to use the standard algorithm to add the numbers 40,571 and 14,216. The standard algorithm is actually a shortened form of the decomposition method, and we will still do some carrying over or borrowing, but in a faster way. Let's do the decomposition method first, and then let's try the standard algorithm beside it. So here, let's do the decomposition method, and then here, we use the standard algorithm. So for the decomposition method, first we write the numbers in their decomposed forms. So we have 40,000 plus 0. Okay, 40,000 is the 10,000s place. 0 is the 1,000s place. Plus the hundreds place is 500. Plus the tens place, 70. Plus 1, the ones place. And we are going to add 14,216. So let's write the decomposed form. It's 10,000 for the 10,000s place. And then we have 4,000 for the thousands place. And then we have 200 for the hundreds place. And then we have 10 for the tens place. And then 6 for the ones place. After that, we do the addition starting from the rightmost place. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 70 plus 10 is 80, plus 500 plus 200 is 700, plus 0 plus 4,000 is 4,000, and 40,000 plus 10,000 is 50,000. So adding all these numbers up, we get 54,787. And that's by using the decomposition method. When we use the standard algorithm, this is understood already. And there's no need to decompose all the different digits and places. It is assumed that you understand that this is a shortcut of the decomposition method. So to use the standard algorithm, what we do is we write the numbers that we are adding. That's 40,571. And then under it, we write the other number. That's 14,216. Put a line under the second number. And then we do addition per digit beginning from the rightmost place. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 5 plus 2 is 7. We put a comma here. 0 plus 4 is 4. And 4 plus 1 is 5, which gives us 54,787. So there we have it. Very quick and easy, right? You can see that the standard algorithm is a lot faster as compared to the decomposition method. Let's try another example, this time with carrying over. Let's add 78,256 and 12,459. I'll show you the decomposition method first, and then we do the standard algorithm beside it so you can see what's happening. So let's do the decomposition method first. Let's decompose the first number. That's 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 6. And then we add the next number, which is 12,459. That's 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 9. And then let's put an underline here to separate our numbers from the answer. So what we do is we add the numbers beginning with the rightmost place. So 9 plus 6 is 15. However, remember the rule that for every place, the maximum digit allowed is 9. Since the result of the addition of each of these places is going to result in the digits of our new number, that means 15 cannot be a digit for our ones place for the new number. So what we have to do is, remembering the rule that whenever we exceed the digit 9, we have to transfer the excess amount to the place to the left. And what is 15? 15 is actually 10 plus 5. So 5 we can retain in the ones place, and 10 we have to add to the tens place. So let's put 10 over here. And this is what we call carrying over. So let's retain 5 over here, and we have 10 over here. Now we can proceed with the addition of the tens place. So 50 plus 50 is 100, but we have a 10 over here that's carried over from the ones place. So 50 plus 50 plus 10 gives us 110. But again, this is not possible because the maximum value that the tens place can have is 90. And we cannot have a value of 110 in our tens place. The only values allowed here would be from 0 to 90, or the only digits allowed would be from 0 to 9. So what we do with the excess is to transfer the excess and carry it over to the hundreds place. So 110 is actually 100 plus 10. So 100, we carry over to the hundreds place, and we just retain 10. So we still have 110, but now we have decomposed the answer and transfer the excess to the next place. We just put a plus here, and we'll proceed with the addition of the hundreds place. So 400 plus 200 plus 100 is 700. So since this does not exceed 900, we're not going to do any carrying over. Put a plus 1 here, and then let's proceed with adding the thousands place. So 8,000 plus 2,000 is 10,000. Again, this is not possible because the maximum value allowed in the thousands place is 9,000. And since 10,000 is in excess of the maximum value here for the thousands place, this is not acceptable, and we have to carry over the excess amount to the 10,000s place. So if we decompose 10,000, that's 10,000 plus 0 thousands. We carry over the excess, which is 10,000, and we just retain 0 in the thousands place. And then we put a plus here, and then we proceed with the addition. So this is 70,000 plus 10,000 plus another 10,000 gives us 90,000. Adding all these numbers up, it gives us the answer, which is 90,000, 90,715. Now let's try doing the same addition operation, but this time using the standard algorithm. So we have 78,256 plus 12,459. Let's put an underline here to separate the numbers from the answer. So in doing the standard algorithm, we just add the individual digits beginning from the ones place moving to the left. So what's 9 plus 6? 9 plus 6 is 15. But again, the maximum digit that we can have for our number is just 9. So we have an excess. So our answer exceeds the maximum digit allowed. So what we do is we just retain the first digit, that's 5, and then we carry over the 1. So it's the same thing. We just carried over the 10 over here in the decomposition method. But here, instead of writing 15, we just carry over the 1 on top of the tens place digits. Next, let's do 5 plus 5. That's 10 plus 1. That's 11. Instead of writing 11 here, which is not allowed because the maximum digit we can have for our final answer is 9. So we put the digit to the left on top of the hundreds place, which is actually this one. We're carrying over 100. Next, let's do 4 plus 2 in the hundreds place. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus the carried over 1. So that's 7. Since we did not exceed the maximum digit 9, we are not going to carry over anything. Let's put a comma here to separate the thousands. And then we do 8 plus 2 of the thousands place. 8 plus 2 is 10. But again, 10 exceeds the maximum digit of 9, so we carry over the 1 on top of the 10,000s place digits. And that's actually this one. And then we add 7 plus 1, that's 8 plus 1 that's carried over, that's 9. And there we have it. We have our final answer using the standard algorithm, which is very quick and easy. And we don't have to write so many numbers as compared to the decomposition method.